Okay, we're going to look at another install. This is a laundry install as well, where we're just taking laundry water. Basically, we take a tub like this and we drill a number of holes into it to allow the capture the laundry from right here. It goes, hits the filter container, just like the last one. It's a shorter distance container. And then this is the filter we have inside, the filter material. You can see right there. And then the water percolates down through the bottom. We built a number of holes. You can see the holes right there. And goes out the corner right there, or right hand side. Through this PVC pipe down here. This house is raised, so we run the PVC pipe under the house, out through by the gate that we just came into, and we'll go over there and take a look at that. Now it comes out through here and goes underneath this driveway, and then it feeds this whole area right here, all this vegetation. This is my new kale I just put in. So you can grow vegetables with laundry water and shower water. And by the health code, they allow you to do anything, any vegetables above ground, but no in ground, like beets and carrots, items like that. So I'm going to start harvesting my kale probably another 30 days, 60 days. I also have some lettuce, some cabbage, and some arugula over there. All mixed into these flower beds. This is 100% laundry water irrigated. So it's a nice, beautiful yard. Not bad for Southern California. Now let's go look at the pipe itself, how it sits in here. I only have one pipe along this edge and one pipe along this edge, and then it elbows right here. And from that one pipe, the Aquifer pipe, it throws out a plume that's 4 feet wide on each side. So it's an 8-foot moisture zone that these plants are feeding from. Okay, so let's go over on the other side of the house and we'll take a look at it. So this is the Aquifer pipe. It's basically a special ABS pipe. It's concave, and the gray water flows through these center channels, or these side channels. And then we drill holes every 12 inches along the edge here on both sides. And what happens is that the water flows into this middle channel and creates a saturated zone. That saturated zone then allows it to have a plume, a moisture plume. And that moisture plume is where the plants feed from. So that moisture plume can go 4 feet on each side and can go as high as 22 inches in tall. So you can see that the plants have plenty of area to get the moisture from. These pipes come in 10-foot lengths, and we sell them with couplers and also a special insert. That's the main key with our irrigation system, our Greywater irrigation system, is the Aquifer pipe that makes it work. Thank you.
Click on the description below to find out where to buy the products. We also have links to instructions to how to build a Greywater system. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and like this video. We would also love to hear your questions, and also share how you prevent climate change. Put those in the comment section as well.